The term Scorpion Gaming Chair likely refers to a particular model of gaming chair designed by Kluvins that resembles a scorpion's form. These chairs are full enclosure gaming cockpits that feature a reclining ergonomic chair with features like massage and lumbar support, footrest, tilting functionality, LED lighting. These features are designed to create a comfortable and immersive gaming environment for extended gaming sessions. It has been reviewed by Linus Tech Tips on YouTube video on Scorpion Gaming Chair. Keep in mind that while these chairs look amazing, they are also quite expensive and may not be for everyone. Do your research to see if this type of chair is a good fit for you and your budget. The term Scorpion Gaming Chair likely refers to a particular model of gaming chair designed by Kluvins that resembles a scorpion's form. These chairs are full enclosure gaming cockpits that feature a reclining ergonomic chair with features like massage and lumbar support, footrest, tilting functionality, LED lighting. These features are designed to create a comfortable and immersive gaming environment for extended gaming sessions. It has been reviewed by Linus Tech Tips on YouTube video on Scorpion Gaming Chair. Keep in mind that while these chairs look amazing, they are also quite expensive and may not be for everyone. Do your research to see if this type of chair is a good fit for you and your budget. The Raineo X2 is a pair of augmented reality (AR) glasses developed by TCL. Its Besonderheit, German for special feature, is that it's the world's first consumer-grade AR glasses to use binocular full-color micro-LED optical waveguide display. This means that the glasses can project a full-color image onto both eyes, unlike previous AR glasses that could only project onto one eye. This creates a more realistic and immersive augmented reality experience. Here are some other key features of the Raineo X2. Real-time, multi-language dialogue translation. With the built-in translation feature, you can have real-time conversations with people who speak different languages. Smart navigation with SLAM system, gesture recognition map showing nearby landmarks. The SLAM system, simultaneous localization and mapping, helps you navigate your surroundings, while the gesture recognition feature allows you to control the glasses with your hands. All-in-one smart assistant, call and message push, photo and video filming. Music playing. The Raineo X2 can also be used as a standalone smart assistant, with features such as call and message notifications, photo and video recording, and music playback. Sushi Conveyor, also known as a Kaiten Sushi in Japan, is an automated food delivery system commonly found in sushi restaurants. It consists of a motorized conveyor belt that winds around the restaurant, carrying plates of sushi past customers seated at the counter or booths. Here's how it works. Plates of sushi are placed on the conveyor belt by the chefs in the kitchen. Customers select the plates they want as they pass by. The conveyor belt continuously circulates, ensuring a steady flow of sushi options. Some plates may have a color coding system to indicate price tiers. This system offers several benefits. Increased efficiency. Reduces reliance on wait staff for table service, allowing them to focus on other tasks. Faster service. Customers can choose their food directly, expediting the dining experience. Fun and interactive. The constant movement of the conveyor belt adds a fun element to dining, especially for children. Visual appeal. The Cicret bracelet was a concept for a wearable device that projected a touchscreen interface onto the user's arm. It was supposed to allow users to interact with their smartphones and tablets directly on their skin. The project was launched on Kickstarter in 2013 and raised over $1 million. However, the company behind the Cicret bracelet never released a finished product. There were concerns that the technology promised by the Cicret team was not feasible, and critics pointed out that the company's promotional video likely used special effects to fake the functionality of the bracelet. In 2016, the company's websites went down and no finished products have ever been shipped. The Cicret bracelet is now considered to be a vaporware project. The Nike RTFKT CRYPTOKICKS IRL is a collaboration between Nike and RTFKT, a Web3 brand that bridges the physical and digital worlds of sneakers. Here's a breakdown of the key features. Cutting-edge technology including auto-lacing, enhanced lighting, haptic feedback, gesture control, walk detection, app connectivity, IML algorithms, wireless charging, 4 colorways, blackout, stone, ice, and space matter. Released as a limited edition 19,000 of digital collectibles, NFTs, that could be forged, redeemed, for a physical pair of shoes. Public draw alongside a private mint for RTFKT X Nike Lace Engine digital collectible holders. Availability. Since the initial release in December 2021, you likely won't find them through Nike or RTFKT directly. The IBM Quantum System 2 is a significant advancement in quantum computing, unveiled in December 2023. It's the first modular utility-scaled quantum computer system designed as a building block for future quantum-centric supercomputing. Modular design. The System 2 boasts a modular architecture, allowing for future upgrades and scaling of its quantum processing capabilities. Heron processors. The system is equipped with 3 IBM Quantum Heron processors, which are currently the most powerful quantum processors from IBM. Scalability. The modular design and upgradability features enable the system to handle complex problems that are beyond the capacity of traditional computers. With future advancements, IBM envisions connecting multiple quantum System 2s to create systems capable of running millions quantum-centric supercomputing. The System 2 is designed to usher in the era of quantum-centric supercomputing. The TOTAM planter is a modular, self-watering indoor garden system that allows you to design your own vertical garden at home. Modular design. The planter is made up of individual modules that can be stacked and arranged in any configuration to fit your space and needs. Self-watering. The TOTAM planter uses aeroponic technology to deliver nutrients and water directly to the plant roots through a misting system. This eliminates the need for you to manually water your plants, and it can also help to reduce the risk of overwatering. Sustainable materials. The TOTAM planter is made from recycled plastic and bamboo, making it an eco-friendly choice. LED grow lights. The planter comes with built-in LED grow lights that provide the perfect spectrum of light for your plants to thrive. App connectivity. The TOTAM planter can be connected to a smartphone app that allows you to monitor the health of your plants and adjust the watering schedule. The EcoFlow Blade Robotic is a robotic lawnmower that uses advanced technology to keep your lawn looking its best. Here are some of its features. Wire-free boundaries. Unlike traditional robotic lawnmowers that require you to lay down a boundary wire, the EcoFlow Blade Robotic uses GPS and RTK, real-time kinematic technology, to navigate your lawn. This means you can set up the mower quickly and easily without having to worry about burying wires. Auto-route planning. The EcoFlow Blade Robotic uses its GPS and RTK technology to create a map of your lawn. This allows the mower to plan the most efficient route for mowing, ensuring that your entire lawn is cut evenly. Smart obstacle avoidance. The EcoFlow Blade Robotic is equipped with a variety of sensors that help it to avoid obstacles in its path. These sensors include LiDAR, ultrasonic sensors, and a bump sensor. Water-resistant and anti-theft. The EcoFlow Blade Robotic is water-resistant, so you can be sure that it will continue to mow your lawn even in the rain. The mower is also equipped with an anti-theft lock, so you can be sure that it will stay safe in your yard. Comprehensive suite of services. The EcoFlow Blade Robotic can be equipped with a variety of optional accessories, such as a lawn sweeper kit that can collect leaves, twigs, and other debris while the mower is mowing. HoloLamp is an award-winning startup that claims to have developed the world's first glasses-free and hands-free portable augmented reality device. The device projects 3D illusions directly on the user's environment, without the need for any special glasses or hand controls. HoloLamp's technology is based on advanced projection technology, computer vision, and machine learning. The device connects to a computer and creates 3D images directly on the user's environment. Objects are created in Unity, a popular game development software, and then projected onto the user's surroundings. The device uses multiple sensors and a pico projector to track the user's position and warp the image so that it appears to be 3D. HoloLamp has a number of potential applications, including education, gaming, and entertainment. For example, HoloLamp could be used to overlay 3D models of historical landmarks onto real-world locations, or to create interactive games that take place in the real world. The company was planning to launch a crowdfunding campaign to raise money for production, but there is no recent information available on their website or social media pages, so it is unclear if the device is currently available for purchase. Mojo Vision is a company developing smart contact lenses that incorporate augmented reality (AR) technology. These lenses, called Mojo Lens, are designed to overlay digital information onto the real world as seen by the wearer. The lenses are still under development, but they are expected to have a variety of features, including micro-LED display. This tiny display is projected onto the wearer's retina, allowing them to see information without blocking their vision. Sensors. The lenses may include sensors that track a movement, blink rate, and other biological signals. Solid-state battery. The lenses will be powered by a tiny battery that is comfortable and safe to wear in the eye. Corrective lens. The lenses are also intended to function as regular contact lenses, correcting the wearer's vision. Mojo Vision's goal is to create a new way for people to interact with information in the world around them. The company believes that Mojo Lens has the potential to revolutionize the way we work, learn, and play. It is important to note that Mojo Lens is still in the early stages of development, and there is no guarantee that it will be commercially available anytime soon. Additionally, there are a number of potential challenges that need to be addressed before AR contact lenses become widely adopted, such as safety, privacy, and battery life.